This is a single family home. It's listed for $995,000 and it's located on Bernal Heights, North Slope. And you're probably thinking, what? A single family home in Bernal listed for under $1 million? Well, yes, and it happens to be extremely cute and extremely well located, just about a block from Precita Park. So let's take a peek around. A great feature of this home is actually the entryway with all of these built-ins. And the living room has lots of period detail and these beautiful windows that are south-facing. So the home is just truly flooded with light throughout the day. There's a wood-burning fireplace, which adds coziness and warmth. And over here in the front is the second bedroom that has also been used in the past as a home office, as a nursery, as a guest bedroom. It's very flexible space. So as we head out of the living room, we enter the hallway, and off of the hallway is the primary bedroom. A feature that I particularly love about this bedroom are the two closets. This one is a walk-in. Here I am walking in. And then we've got this other closet, which is also very substantial and has great shelves and built-ins. But what you're gonna love most about this room is waking up to this view. Now granted, it's not your yard that you're looking at, but it is a fabulous and peaceful, bucolic scenery with all of the flowers and the landscaping. And you've got some peekaboo views of the city. And off the hallway is the bathroom. Now it's primarily the original tile. It's in great shape. You could move right in and enjoy the bathroom as it is now. Or certainly you could put your own spin on it and redo some of the finishes. Now we're heading into the kitchen. The kitchen has a ton of storage, shelves and drawers. We've got a new dishwasher, oven and stovetop and refrigerator. And the great butcher block countertop, which is so convenient for cooking. Through the kitchen window, another really great scene of trees and Bernal Heights and also Salesforce Tower in the background. But we are not done yet. This house has something really special going on down below. Here is the basement. It is the full size of the house pretty much, and you've got a laundry room, tons of storage, workshop, and then all of this kind of multi-purpose space. We have it set up as a home office, a little recording studio. We have a little exercise set up. This is not an official roof deck.